Listen, Sorrel is easily in my top 5 Caribbean drinks. It's fruity, spicy, and smooth. It's pure island flavor in a glass. Today, we're making a Sorrel recipe you'll never forget. Now let's go. Yo, Sorrel is a drink we usually enjoy during Christmas time. But for me, every sip takes me straight back to the festive vibes of Carnival. And it's truly a taste of home. So let's jump into the recipe. The key ingredient of this entire recipe, hibiscus. I'm using whole dry petals, easier to find, and honestly, they do the job beautifully. Beyond that bold, vibrant red, hibiscus brings a tart, fruity depth and a serious hint of antioxidants and vitamin C. Refreshing, flavorful, everything you want in a proper Sorrel. 3.5 cups goes into a bowl and a quick rinse clears off any dust or bits from drying. Clean flavor starts with clean ingredients. Yes, spices are up next. Into a tea bag, I'm dropping in 6 cloves and a tablespoon of allspice berries. Cloves bring warmth, hint of sweetness that cuts right through. Allspice adds a nice flavor that rounds out every sip. I use the back of a spoon to gently crush them both, just enough to release them fragrant oils. Dropping in 2 large cinnamon sticks, 3 pieces of dry orange peel follow, bringing a bright citrus edge. That tea bag gets tied up tightly and it's ready. I have here in the pot 8 cups of spring water. In goes the rinsed hibiscus petals, the spice bag, and a 1/4 cup of grated ginger. Not too much, just enough to give the Sorrel its signature island taste without overpowering it. If you want to up your game, try this vanilla bean pod, man. Split down 1 vanilla bean pod and scrape out the seeds. Both seeds and pod go straight into the pot. That touch of vanilla ties everything together real nice. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer, 2 to 3 minutes. No rolling boil, just enough heat to unlock the flavor. Heat goes off, lid goes on, and let it steep. Overnight is good. A full 24 hours though, even better. After 24 hours, that color looking nice already. Once it's fully steeped, pull the tea bag. Strain the Sorrel through a fine mesh into a bowl and look at this deep red color. Them aromatics is real nice. You'll smell the spice before the glass even touch your lips. 1.5 cup of brown sugar goes in and you can adjust to your taste. Sweet but balanced. Now that's real Sorrel. Bold spice, vibrant hibiscus, and island flavor in every sip. Chill it, pour it over ice and enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always remember, where there's a will, there's a way. Peace.